In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts from an Excel spreadsheet into Mailchimp. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click, what to check before uploading, and how to make sure your contact list is ready for email campaigns without any issues. Let's get started. Before jumping into Mailchimp, there's one important preparation step. Make sure your spreadsheet is clean and well organized. Each row should represent one contact, and your columns should have clear headers like email address, first name, and last name. Also, remove any blank rows or unnecessary data. This helps Mailchimp correctly read your file and prevents errors during import. If you're using Microsoft Excel, your file might be in XLSX format. While that works, Mailchimp performs best with CSV files, so it's a good idea to go to File, then Save As, and choose CSV format. Another important reminder, only import contacts who have given you permission to email them. This keeps your account compliant and avoids issues later. Now head over to Mailchimp and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the main navigation menu and click on Audience. This is where all your contacts are stored. If you have multiple audiences, double-check that you're working with the correct one. This step is important to avoid mixing up lists or creating duplicates. Next, click on Add Contacts. You'll see a few options here, but since we're importing from a spreadsheet, choose Import Contacts. This option is designed for bulk uploads and makes it much easier to bring in multiple contacts at once. On the next screen, select Upload a File. This tells Mailchimp you'll be uploading a file from your computer. Click Continue to move forward. Now you'll see the Upload area. You can either drag and drop your CSV file into this space or click the Browse button to select it manually. Once your file is uploaded, Mailchimp will begin reading your data. The next step is mapping your fields. Mailchimp will try to match your column headers with its own fields like email, first name, and last name. In most cases, this happens automatically if your headers are clear. Take a moment to review this carefully. If something doesn't match correctly, you can adjust it before continuing. This step is important because it ensures your data is imported accurately. After reviewing everything, click Continue and finalize the import. Mailchimp will process your file. If you're uploading a large list, this might take a little time, but you'll see a confirmation once it's complete. And just like that, your contacts are now inside your Mailchimp audience, ready for your campaigns. Now let's quickly summarize the steps. First, prepare your spreadsheet with clean data and clear column headers. Next, save your file as CSV for best compatibility. Log into Mailchimp and go to the Audience section. Click Add Contacts, then choose Import Contacts. Select Upload a File and continue. Upload your CSV file using drag and drop or browse. Review and match your fields carefully. Finally, complete the import and wait for confirmation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below.